After 5.5 years of ownership, the 2004 E55 is sold and heading to its new home. I sold this car on Bring a Trailer in March for $19,250 US. It was an exciting auction, and I thank all of those who participated. It's now April 23rd and the car is leaving. It's all detailed and ready for the new owner. It's being transported and imported to the US by TFX International. The destination state is New York. I hope that the new owner enjoys the car as much as I did. I had to pull out my black E55 for one last montage of the two cars together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.